people from Meerut, from nearby Jahangirpuri, right? So I am looking for the unique places only. कि कितनी कैब मुझे अरेंज करनी है. So I'll arrange only 5 cabs if this is major locality there. And for Jahangirpuri, I'll arrange only 1 cab. For Gurgaon, I arrange second cab, and for New Delhi, I'll arrange second cab, and so on. Because it's going to remove duplicates, and we have filtered for unique items, right? Okay, so we had third question, and what was the first? For C, B, A, B, C. So let me give some third question. Set is having indexing, is having indexing or slicing, right? And 100% sure you just keep this recording, you will be asking at least 2 or 3 questions from this session. They will certainly ask what is the set, whether it is supporting indexing or not, right? So if you are if you are correlated with these elements, these conceptual part, so you will find that, can you see it's not showing that element. वो fifth element उसको show करना था, but instead it's showing some error. Why? Because set उस 4 पे वहां वो कैंडिडेट है ही नहीं जो उसको मैंने चेयर पे बैठाया था. It's not the same as assigned. So which means we do not have ordered inside the given room, examination room, if I'm playing an invigilator room there, right? Let me check another indexing, slicing. So we have difference between indexing and slicing. Slicing means portion of your list or of your data type, right? Suppose I'm having 4 to 6. Can you see the again? It's not also supporting slicing. This is the indexing. You are trying to fetch single element using your index number. But here we are slicing piece of my number. Suppose I'm starting from 1 to 5. So again, I'm getting subscriptable error kind of, because the reason behind set is not supporting indexing. But on what basis it will show error? It will give the output because it's not having that indexing matched indexing, right? Now again, we have, let me copy this one. Let's see. Go to the last element. Go to, let me change 3D, and again set contain duplicate or name. Anyone who can give the answer of this question? Is it yes or no?
No.
No, it doesn't. The
No.
output doesn't contain duplicate elements. It represents only unique items, right? It hardly matters you have 100 copies, you have 1,000 of copies of same element. Eventually it will give final output as unique elements, right? Did I justify the entire sheet? Any doubt, any question?
Sir, where it will be used, this set of indexing and duplicate elements?
Right. So जैसे मैंने आपको example बताया, like we are arranging some cab for my employees. So in this cab, I'll use set because I am seeking for some ordered values, like some ascending order. I'm not seeking duplicate values, right? कि
Right,
एक
right.
location के लिए मैं double cab नहीं prefer करूँगा. So I'm going to use this set, right? And also this set can be mutable, but I don't need that ordered or indexing or duplicates itself,
Hmm.
right?
Okay, right, right.
Okay, so we have more values, and you will find the same sheet in the given GitHub link. I'm going to share that GitHub link again. And we will okay, let me show one more things here. After this session, what we are going to discuss: coding square. What is the name of this sheet? Secret Python coding tips. So here are some secret Python coding tips to know. We are going to discuss this: flatten the list, converting 2D list into the 1D list, right? But first you need to understand what is the 2D list. So let me copy this code. I hope it will be copied. If not, I'll type it there. Oh, wonderful. It just copied. So if I'm going to copy here, so you will find it's having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what's the, let's say, size? Can I go for this size, this function? No. A dot size. Okay. Mm, length of A. It's giving 3. We have only 3 element only, right? And then A dot size, giving the size. Okay. Okay, let me check. A dot shape will work. No, I don't think it will work. Okay. So, but actually, it's a two-dimensional list where we have three, uh, 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 two columns, three rows, right? We have multi-dimensional data set here, right? But what's my objective here? I'm going to flatten this from two-dimensional list to the single dimension list, right? So I'm going to copy this code here, but C, and let me print here. So first we have iterable tools, which is the, let me print this whether. So first I'm having iterable tools. It's kind of module which we have already stored somewhere, right? So I'll import that module. Then I'll assign this two-dimensional list, which is consisting of this value, and then I'll write this iterable chain dot form iterable, right? So from iterable to the single dimension, I'll convert this entire list into the single dimension, right? You don't need to keep it remember, but slowly you will find this iteration in the given value, right? But if I'm going to, let's say, c is equal to this value, and this is C. Can you see? It's iterable chain, right? I'm going to print this C, right? So it's showing the iterable thing. You will have to convert into the list, right? Second thing, this was the first flatten. How to flatten any list? We have two-dimensional list, and we want, our objective is to convert into the one-dimensional list, right? Second things, we have reverse a list. How to reverse any list, and interviewer may ask, like, in a single question, like how to convert a list into the with the reverse format, right? So what we are going to do in the reverse list, suppose I am having A is equal to some elements, let's say search in with the element Delhi, and then having element, let's say 9, and then 8, right? So I'm going to run this code. And suppose I'm having A, can you see these elements are here? Now I'm going to print the same element with the index partition. So I'm going to give 0 is 2 colons with the -1. Can you see? Now the same elements are showing in a reverse order, right? So this is the new system, and existing policies are going to change by giving 2 colon and minus 1. But we
Sir,
must be, yes, please.
what if we insert only single column?
That would be the like, let me check it here. That would be the from the first till minus 1,
Ah,
right?
okay.
That's the we have property to exclude the this term, right? So this 8 is actually the last term. This 8 is having minus 1 index number. It's also 0, 1, 2, 3, but also having minus 1 from the right hand side. From the left hand side, it's having 0, 1, 2, 3, but from the right hand side, it's also having minus 1. When you do not give any value at the first position before the column, in other words, so we give, by default, we assume it will start from the first position. But if I am going to assign the second position, it's going to exclude that number, right? Let me give
Mhm.
more numbers here so that we have more clarity. Chennai, and then I'm going to add Telugu, and then add some random number, let's say 7.3. I'm going to run this code. Now with the A, I'm going to print some values, but till minus 3. So, okay, so let me print simply A square bracket colon. Can you see? It's showing all the elements which I assign here. Can you see?
Right.
We agree, right? Now I'm going to print at the first position 0, 1, 2. So I'm going to 2, but leaving second place empty. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 9 till end. So I'm going to copy this code, print it here. Can you see? It's a printing third position till end, because I had not given any value at the second position. It's assuming you need to print last values till the last element. Now I'm going to keep first position blank and give minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Chennai is having minus 3. And also you can see, if you remember, we are going to exclude the second number. So it will keep print Sachin till 45. Can you see? It's going to exclude the second term and printing till 45. Right? Now I'm going to give some like minus 8 till 3, right? So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So it will print Delhi to 45, right?
Right.
Okay. Now I'm going to give all the place values and give second colon, and I'm going to give 2. What's the output of this number, this command? In which specific areas I'll getting the output?
So from Sachin to Chennai, it will be
No,
entire whole
it
column is
will
the
give
column.
all the alternate elements. It's
Yeah,
going
right,
to
right.
keep one element here. Can you see? First
Acha.
element, third element, then 1, then Chennai, then 7.3.
Okay.
All right.
Right.
Now in the same format, so this is meaning of second column. So second column means you need alternate or 3 alternate, or how many elements do you want to keep as of now? Now I want to keep 2 elements
Three.
at a time. So can you see?
Right.
Third, Sachin, 2 elements is keep, then 8, then 2 elements is keep, then Chennai, then elements are skip. We have only 3 elements,
Right.
right? So what does it mean of when we write minus 1? It's going to print the elements but in the reverse order. Okay, so what will give if I am giving 1? So it's giving the same element, because by default increment is 1. Do not skip anything. If I am writing 2, it's keeping one element. If I am writing 3, it's keeping two elements. If I am writing 1, it means do not skip anything. Like 0 element, skip 0 element.
Mhm.
Did I justify my statement? Now I am giving minus okay 1, so I'm getting the same original string, and now I am having -1, which is going to print reverse order. You will have to keep remember in your mind how to reverse a list. Just give a and then give double column and then give -1.
-1.
We have reverse order, and this is how magic, we call it magic command here inside the Python. Now we are going to move to the second secret command. This is called combining different elements. It is easy to aggregate the contents of this container class, normal J function, and so on, right? So we are going to combining different list. Let's see, and having this code, this one, right? And then I'm going to allow me to initiate few elements. So first we have K, and then having L, and having P, and having O, right? Then B is equal to E, and then F, and P, right? These elements are here. Now I'm having for x comma y in zip function. I to write a comma b, and then I'm going to print x comma y. Can you see? It's going to zip all these respective values. With the p, it's going to print e. With the j function l, it's going to f. It will p t. Because it do not find any matching number with o, it's not going to print that value, right? So this is the normal j function. We are going to add numerous functions here. We can merge these functions and we can go for the solution in a straight forward way. Any question, any values?
Sir, these functions are applicable to only list, or is it
uh,
applicable to?
let me check it. Let me check it whether it is applicable for, we have round bracket. It's it's applicable for tuple also. And how we define set? So we give curly braces for the sets. Let me check for sets also. I don't think it will. What's your opinion? Will it be justified for set? Will it run successfully? Will it zip for set, two sets A, B? Oh, it's going to combine these two sets also. So it's applicable for these three data types: list, tuple, and sets. All right. Now we have fourth magic command, that's a negative indexing. Here we have giving a negative numbers as parameters. We have already seen so many like we have played enough with the negative. I don't think we will elaborate. We need to elaborate more about this, right? Is it? Do I need to explain again negative indexing? We had already seen negative indexing -3. So where is the -3? So 0, hello, so -1, -2, -3. 8 is the -3, right? Until 1. So only two elements will be printed, right? Can you see 8 and 9? Because it's excluding the second element, right? So let me write m p dot server going to add this other. Okay, so any doubt, any question till here? We had seen so many magic contents and basic things. I hope you all guys are creating notes, any basic ground technical terms you must have created on your notes. There is no replica, no alternate things, means with your handwritten notes. आपके handwritten notes से best there is nothing as compared to your handwritten notes, right?
सर इसका पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा क्या हम लोग को?
Sure, it's already uploaded there,
डन ओके सही है.
right? If I am going to share that list again, I'm going to my GitHub code. I had already shared in the class section, right? So
राइट
I'm
राइट
going
राइट
to go to repository,
सही है.
go to the line. Yes, you can see the if you go for the difference in the class one, difference in the data type. So the same field, same code, it's already uploaded 3 months ago. I had already uploaded 3 months ago. All right.
ओके
So it's already same. All
राइट राइट.
code is same,
ग्रेट ग्रेट.
right? So I'm going to share this code again if you do not have, and keep creating your GitHub also. Companies are asking your GitHub account, and we will create the projects, upload your projects on your GitHub account. What will happen? Like, what's the benefit of this? Can you see at the bottom these green points? These green points are representing your contribution in the last year. You cannot change this contribution in a single daylight, or day-to-day operations cannot be changed. Like, how my question is, like, how can you change this December 2022? What was the your contribution in December 2022? No, you cannot go back in the past and upload the file. Can you see in this file how many files I contributed? On April 27, 2023, I uploaded 14 contributions. Can you see? This is the remarkable things here. And company is going to change this metrics. You will have to maintain this metrics. How many projects you are uploading here, how many files you are uploading here, how many real hands-on practice you are going to upload here. That's your benchmark, your personal diary kind of performance benchmark is showing this metrics. Can you see? Right. If you look at the trend 2 or 23, can you see 2 or 21, right? But if I want to change this metric right now, no, I cannot. Right? In 2 or 23, can you see till the 6 months or 7 months, I had already uploaded 66 contributions here. So I'm going to upload tech, data science, and add file, upload files, and going to check the coding square. I had already uploaded this file here. You will find commit changes in a few seconds. You can look at this slide. It's going to upload. Once I'll commit changes. Okay, that's it. So where is the files you Python? Yes, secret coding tips was the today's test. Can you see secret coding tips? I had already uploaded this PDF over there. So if you face any challenges, any solution you have come up, kindly do speak. We will be solving with the learning. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this session. Have a good night. Uh, anyone?
Thank
Any
you.
question? Thank you so much.
Sir, you had given one question yesterday.
Huh? Would you comment again?
You had given one question last lecture, like we have to print 5 4 3 2 1 5 4
Yes,
3.
yes, I recall it. I'm extremely sorry, I forgot that question. Do we have solution for this?
Yep, sir, I did, but when I again try to solve it, it's showing like from ऐसा 5 5 4 5 5 4 3 2 like that.